Did your PC stop working and stuck at something? Is your PC heavily lagging? Or is there a software which is misbehaving too much? Well, we all have to go through these problems and we know the best solution in the world, which is turn your PC off and start it again, problem solved. Now the question is, does that really solve your problem and is it the right thing to do? And the answer is yes and no both. Let me explain. Hello guys, I am your host Arnab. You are watching Gadget Science. Before Windows 8, shutdown used to solve almost everything. But after Windows 8, it doesn't. By the way, have you noticed? Restarting your computer now takes a lot more time than shutting it down and starting it again. Now let's understand why. When something is causing a problem in your computer, that means in the background a software or a hardware is facing some issues which should not be there, or we just messed up something. So now what we need is to stop everything, stop every process and start them again as new. And to do so, we normally shut down our computer and start it again. But unfortunately, shutdown doesn't work as it should if you are using Windows 8 or later versions. With Windows 8, Microsoft introduced a feature called Fast Startup and it's enabled by default. Due to this setting, when you press the shutdown button, your PC goes into deep sleep. The processes which were running aren't stopped completely. They get copied from the RAM to hard disk or SSD and saved as it is. And when you start the PC again, those previous process data gets transferred from your storage to the RAM. So the errors from the previous session might also be copied to the RAM, and so your problem might not be solved. Let me know in the comments if you knew all this, and if you are getting new info from this video, then a like will be massive. Anyway, back to our discussion. So the real solution is to restart your computer. When you restart your computer, everything gets shut down. Every process is stopped. Your whole RAM is cleaned and then everything starts as new. And this is why restart usually takes a longer time than shutdown. Well, another solution might be turning off the fast restart from the control panel, but I don't suggest that, because Microsoft didn't introduce this feature to fulfill their evil intentions. They actually included this feature because we wanted our computers to start faster. So the next time you want to fix a problem or your PC tells you to restart, then restart. Don't shut down. And enjoy shutdown if you are using Windows 7 or earlier versions, by the way, which you should not be using unless your PC can't take the load of Windows 10. That's it for today guys. Subscribe for more interesting videos and please share this video everywhere because we can't reach a bigger audience without your help. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.